Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Addo and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to do a huge Nykaa haul, and as you can see, there are a lot of products. There are a lot of skincare products, makeup products, hair care products and personal hygiene. Some of these products I have repurchased because I really like the outcome they have given on my skin, and some of them I really wanted to try. So if you want to see the products individually, please continue to watch the entire video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. So the first product that I'll be talking about is the Colossal Kajal by Maybelline New York. Now this product I have repurchased again because I really like the outcome that they give on my eyes. They are priced at rupees 180, but right now I got it at 170 rupees only, and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. Trust me guys, this is really worth buying. The second product that I have repurchased again is the Color Bar Intensely Rich Kajal. Now this kajal is also a long wearing kajal, and this is priced at rupees 170. The shelf life of this product is 3 years. Now this kajal is long lasting. It stays up to 12 hours, purely black color, and it is waterproof, smudge proof and transfer resistant, and it is also ophthalmologically tested. The next product that I'll be talking about is 24-hour Stay Kajal by Blue Heaven. Now this is priced at rupees 85 only, really inexpensive on your pocket. Now I've heard a lot of reviews about this kajal and I really wanted to try this, so I got this for myself. The next product is Intense Gel Kajal, which is Electric Blue by Swiss Beauty. Now this product is priced at
rupees 299.
The shelf life of this product is 2 years, and this is really a pretty blue color, and I'll just show you how it comes. This is the color. So I really wanted to try this product, and so I got my hands on this. You can definitely go ahead and check it out. The next product is really something which I'm trying my hands on perfection, but I wanted to get something in pen. So it is again the Intense Eyeliner Easy Sketch Line and Design Sketch Liner by Blue Heavens. Really inexpensive product, priced at rupees 150 rupees, and they actually give a real black bold color which they have claimed. I'll do a review of this. Please let me know if you want to see a review of this particular product. It is actually smudge proof, waterproof, lightweight, and gives a one stroke finish. That is what it claims for. The next product that I'll talk about is one pair of PAC Professional Eyelashes. Now can you see this product? This is so beautiful. The price of this product is 245 rupees. I have never tried eyelashes and how to use it, so I definitely want to try one for myself and see how it works out. Heard a lot of review of this. This is really light, so I wanted to try something which is light on my eyes and not too heavy. So this is definitely one that I want to try out, and this is in the shade 59. And I'm definitely going to do a review of it and show you how it looks on me, so that you can go ahead and check it out. And to stick this eyelashes, I got this Miss Claire eyelash glue. It is a 5-gram product and it is priced at rupees 295. The next product that I'll be talking about is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is in the shade 220, priced at rupees 500, and the shelf life of this product is 3 years. I really like this product because this is very light and gentle on your skin, and it doesn't give you that patchy look. The next product that I'll be talking about, the makeup fixing spray, is the Maybelline Lasting Spray. The price of this product is 599 rupees, and the shelf life of this product is 3 years. Best thing about this spray is I got, with the same price, with 599 rupees, I got this Maybelline Hype Curl Eye Mascara. This is a very small size mascara for a try out to see if it works out for you, and then you can go for the bigger size. Now this makeup spray is will give you a matte finish look, and this is my first time I'll be using this makeup spray, so I'll definitely tell you how it works out for me. After all this, you need to remove your makeup, so I got this Garnier Micellar Water, and with this, as you can see, I got a BB cream of Garnier which is priced at rupees 75. This product is priced at rupees 300, but I got it rupees 225 only, and the shelf life of this product is 3 years. Now let's talk about the skincare products. Now there are few of the skincare products that are my on the go all the time. I have used these products for a very long time, but there are some which I really wanted to try out. So the first product that I'll be talking about is Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. Now this moisturizer, you guys, I tell you, these are very light on the skin. It really gives you ultimate result on your skin and it stays for a very long time. You don't need to keep applying moisturizer again and again. So this comes in 3 size variants. The product is of 300 ml. The shelf life of this product is 3 years and it is priced at
349.
The next product is the old version of Nivea, that is this Nivea Creme. Now this product is very thick product where I don't think this will suit very oily skin people. The net quantity of this product is 59 grams and it is priced at rupees 99 only, and this comes in a steel container like this. The next product is Vaseline Moisturizing Cream Cocoa Glow. This product is 150 ml of product and it is priced at rupees 160. I love any product which has cocoa in it because I love the smell of cocoa, so I went ahead and got this for myself. The next product which I have repurchased again and I use it before applying any makeup and it really hydrates my skin is Pond's Super Light Gel. This is for all seasons, for all skin types. The price of this product is 299 rupees and the shelf life of this product is 3 years. It has the benefits of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, so definitely on the go with this product. The next product again is the first time and a new launched by Nykaa. These are the Nykaa Skin Face Mask, Sleeping Mask. They have different variants available for them. This is a very small cute product. It comes like this and as you can see when you open it, it is like this. It has the benefits of retinol and hyaluronic acid. Shelf life of this product is 3 years and the price of this small quantity product is 175 rupees. I hope it is worth the buy because I feel for this much amount of quantity, this is a little overpriced. The next product is my favorite brand, as you already know. It's by Blossom Couture Vitamin E Night Cream. It actually nourishes and restores your skin. The quantity of this product is 50 grams. It is priced at rupees 375 rupees and the shelf life of the product is 2 years. The next product again is the favorite brand I'm repurchasing again. It is the Blossom Couture White Tea and Chamomile Face Wash. Now this product is really beautiful, very light and it smells so nice, you guys. I've already used this product. This is my second buy and this is for all skin type. The net quantity of this product is 100 ml and this is the shelf life of this product is 3 years and the price is 185 rupees only. The next I'll be talking about Mamaearth. This is a Mamaearth C3 face mask. This is priced at rupees 599. The net quantity of this product is 100 ml and the shelf life of the product is 2 years. Now this face mask is with charcoal, coffee and clay and this claims to give you a healthy and glowing skin. So definitely, who doesn't want healthy and glowing skin? I definitely want, so I'm definitely going to try this out. Next product is again from my favorite brand, that is Khadi. This is a Khadi Pearl Shine Facial Kit for shiny and brightening skin. Now this is priced at rupees 349 rupees and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. Now this is a mini facial kit. You have the cleanser, the scrub, the creme, the gel and the facial mask along with it. The next product again that I got is from Blossom Couture. It is a Blossom Couture Under Eye Gel. The net quantity of this product is 20 grams. This literally brightens and refreshes your eyes. It's priced at rupees 210 and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. The next product that I'll be talking about is something which I'm repurchasing again after 2 years, I guess. Biotic Bio Musk Root for fresh growth nourishing hair pack. Now this claims that it gives you an intense hair growth treatment. This product is priced at rupees 230 only. The shelf life of this product is 2 years and the quantity of this product is 230 grams. The next product is something which we all should take care about and we should not be ashamed of talking about it because this is about your personal hygiene.
I'm talking about V-Wash Expert Intimate Hygiene Liquid Wash.
Now this is 200 ml product priced at rupees 300 and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. Now this product is enriched with sea buckthorn oil and tea tree oil and this maintains your pH level and This has a unique pH balance and formula of lactic acid. So definitely on the go. This is my second buy and I'm really happy with this product. So guys, I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I've listed the product details in the description box below. If you would like to see any individual product in a complete detailed review, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll do the needful. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.